Well, seniors, ma, yes, Emma Kwaba, Super 24 TV. You share say a check, but and then I say be track camera na to so na you di kasubo mo. I could game no air passo. Na say no. Yen hwa di bi say Kotoko in the last 5 Premier League games I hit me winning. The last one I bought, was against Bechem United. Kotoko typical foul draw a buy. Now draw a buy, what it means is here and say Kotoko ended the losing streak or Madani Baton ama Accra Suffolk. Now Accra Suffolk say I got 3 games on a losing streak. But this Kotoko Diana ended. Kotoko Diana some amount. Your friend say recap now. The recap of Kotoko last 5 games are on me and Winnie, and as I near Kotoko no. There is no single gamer Kobia Sante Kotoko lose by 2-goal margin. So it tells you say Tembia game no akwe too close to call. But what I say, my yen take the recap no in the last 5 games no. Ube say Kotoko ne Karela no. Omo share Kotoko 1-0. Karela share Kotoko 1-0. Ena Kotoko ne Accra Lions no. Kotoko elusu by 3-2, which was 3-2. Kotoko Tnefie in elusu that particular game no. And Kotoko Adriana no so mobekai say last minute Kotoko nya last minute jirigogo gobi and omujitia Kotoko and 2-1. So what I say? It's also 1-goal margin. And recently Kotoko the Nations FC game now I call so also. Kotoko lose by 1-0 Baba Yara Sports Stadium. It's dynamics way na no HSC Kotoko Tembiano. You lose with 1-goal margin. Part of what I say. Now Kotoko Bechem United need the name say 0-0. And then the die no so the die nim and ne Ghana Premier League March the 25. Kotoko versus Nsoatreman. So in the event Kotoko be lose game na nyame pengu Kotoko lose with 2-0 margin. So what I mention and to say Kotoko enya momentum of a draw against Bechem United and coming into this game no. What it basically means they say Krobia Sante Kotoko is on the verge of winning the first game in 5 Premier League or in the 6 Premier League games because another not to us the 6 Premier League game. But what I say, it's a win and a Kotoko edge. Nsoatreman and some Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Uye GDA, my thumbs up to this video. What's it?